Hello friends, Marcy here, ready to share the rainy day kit from DEKdesigns. I used it to plan my cousin, my Hobonichi cousin, A5, and I'm gonna put the same kit in my Hobonichi weeks. Well, part of it. I'm not using much of the stickers in here. These boxes actually are perfect size for the A6. And I don't really use them too much in the Hobonichi weeks, but we will use the bottom washi and the side dates. And I know I will divide my section here because this is I call it my bridge. This is the planner that I tote my everyday carry. And I take it from home to school. That way I can have commitments scheduled. Oops, I want to stop right there. If I have home commitments scheduled or school commitments scheduled, I have all that information with me, no matter where I am, because I do not take my home planner to school and I do not need my teacher planner recording personal home stuff. So there we go. I'm going to record my weather for the week here, and I have found that I like to use these little felt tip fine line pens, like the Stedler, but this one is a black and I'm using the gray right now. This is one from Michael's. I think it's their line, but when I use the gel pens, like the Papermate gel with a ruler, it tends to glob, the ink tends to glob along the ruler's edge, and then when I move the ruler or pick it up and place it down, I tend to smear the ink. So I don't really use the gel inks to do lines with a ruler any longer. I don't think I need this one because I'm going to put the washi on there. But I like to divide that, share it up for my recording the weather. And let's see, I guess we'll start with bottom washi. And I think I already mentioned enjoying the weather this week. The reason I'm using the rainy day kit, even though I wanted to use this in April and I just never did. I had a few weeks where I didn't really use sticker kits. I just used highlighter and a few stickers. Did you see that? That just went down crooked. Totally my fault for not being patient and careful. Okay, so that's the bottom washi. It's been a while since I've used a full kit, which I'm really not using the full kit on these because it's more than enough, more than I need. I actually think if I could design a Hobonichi Weeks kit, I could probably put all the little stickers that I use on one sheet. Seriously, because using all the stickers is just too much. So I don't need them all on there. But it's nice because the size for the boxes and the little checklist, it comes in handy for the A6. If you have an A6, you can use a lot of this. The Hobonichi A6 or the Wonderland 222 A6, you can use a lot of it in there. So I have no days off. I don't count the weekends as days off. If I use a days off sticker, it's because I actually have a scheduled work day off, a weekday. So I don't really use those, but I do like to use my Coffee Monday. Of course, in my world, it's coffee every day. Coffee every day. I like to use that there. I just like the look of a coffee pot. So cool. And then I'm going to use my weekend banner here, along with, I don't know which, I have my mild liners I picked the gold. I didn't know if it was going to be, yeah, the peach is not right. So give a little bit of highlighter right here, across, and use the weekend banner. And if you're cringing because that's not perfectly straight, I'm sorry, because it does bother me. But I'm going to try to cover up a lot of the crookedness with a sticker. How's that? Working well. It even covers up my little blooper where I did my division line a little too long. So stickers are great for covering up stuff. For covering up bloopers. Okay. We need Kobe, when I talk, Kobe thinks I'm talking to him or I should be petting him. He's like, bother me. He's like, wait a minute, I'm down here, I'm down here. You need to pet me. Kobe, not really, I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you, bub. Not your turn. And I'm not going to use a lot of stickers here. I just want minimal amount. And of course, I have my meeting days and times at school, after school. When I divide this, I have the right side as my work appointments so that I know I have something to attend to. We don't usually have after school meetings on Fridays, so that looks a little off balance, doesn't it? Okay, I'm gonna say ha ha. I'm gonna put the sticker here on the weekends. Even though I never sleep in, my body just gets up boing at 4:30, even on the weekends. It's nice to see that sticker there saying on the weekends, I don't have to hurry up and do all my morning rush to get going. So, I do have a meeting on this day. And it's also, did I get, I'm going to put the birthday cake. It's also my niece's birthday here, Miss Brycey. Before I get too carried away with all this important stuff, let me write down the dates so I'm not off track. Monday will be the 2nd, Tuesday the 3rd, if you're laughing at me because I'm talking to myself as I'm counting out loud, when I made my monthly video, I was just laying down the date stickers and I put like a whole week off, and then I had to peel them up because I get busy talking and I just do routine stuff, and it's like I didn't focus on or attend to what I should have been attending to. So I might talk to myself out loud aside from talking to y'all, which is kind of like talking to myself because you're not here to respond. And I think gold as a accent color is going great. I'm not going to choose the tracker here just to lay that down and mark off my vitamins. I have resorted to putting my vitamins in the weekly pill box, so that's another accountability, method that I have to make sure that I get my vitamins in for that time or for that week. Okay. So I will have to check the weather on my weather app, the forecast here, and I know I have the weekends are filled with my duties of grocery shopping. I put the sleep in here as a bridge over Saturday or Sunday just to see which day I choose, but it's kind of getting in the way of my grocery. I'll put my grocery there. And of course, the laundry. This says towels, and I do towels and more than towels on the weekend. Okay, that's good for this page. I have a lot of boxes and some 3-heart checklists that I really don't need right now. This will evolve as my needs. I don't really need these full strip washies, the day off banners. Don't need these just yet. Of course, I could put my planning time on a Sunday evening here, because we'll wrap it up again next week. Oh, Mother's Day, planning time Sunday evening. I have a Mother's Day sticker right here, but we can get one real quick. All right, so as far as laying down stickers, that pretty much does what I need in my Hobonichi weeks from the kit. And I have plenty extra I can use on the A6, I can use on dailies, especially the decorative boxes. And then these washi strips here. So I have a lot of stickers left over that I could actually use in the coming week or in my A6. So thank you for spending some of your precious moments with me as I pre-plan my sticker outline for the week of May 2nd to May 8th. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.